We back another video. We back another banger for y'all boys. Right now, I'm finna get into this Chucky Hiccup, man. Hey, y'all boys ain't already did so already, man. Y'all boys better go stream this goddamn album, man. No bullshit. Let's get straight to it, though. I ain't heard this one, though. I ain't heard this shit. Let's go.
Hey, man, free Bloodbath, no, man. Hey, free the guys, man. Shit free, but free the guys.
Let's see what this shit not for, though.
Free the guys and free Gunsmoke. Red seats, red key, all the hoes on sex me. Me and her both got Selena, she thinks she my bestie. They don't like it when I bounce, I seen him take his last breath. Niggas troll on that for promo, can't let us a mad reach. I got on 2 box of bridge, she sucking deep before I pee.
Okay.
Me and Mil D out the lane, big up Lil D out the lane. You don't like the way I rap, I don't get no fuck, ODIE. Turn it down, all the tour days, my first show gon' be Italy.
You see with that beat, you see how the beat is just, yo, it's coming up there, yeah. You feel me? It's building up type shit. Then that helps finna, you feel me? Just finna drop, nigga. Correct me if I'm wrong, though, y'all. You already know what that shit finna lead up to. Yeah.
Before I pee, me and Mil D out the lane, big up Lil D out the lane. You don't like the way I rap, I don't get no fuck, ODIE. Turn it down, all the tour days, my first show gon' be Italy. I don't like no fucking diamonds, plain Jane Autumn, mommy, please. Don't get fucked up about these glasses, Draco Timmy was out there swing 'em. No, they not, but sure, Chacron had 2K just for me to see through. Bella right here, boy, I see dude. Candle lights get hit for sure. Niggas we talk like savages, time to do savage shit, they disappear. I get on the net and act myself, that savage shit be in me. You niggas savage be broadcast, y'all do everything for likes. Army gun size as a bike, pink slips at the police right up.
Damn, army gun size as a bike, nigga. How many of y'all got a bike right now, nigga? How many of y'all got as a show of hands, how many of y'all niggas got a bike right now to y'all like, it's y'all like, y'all already know that y'all can just get on that motherfucker. Feel me?
Remember them days in them hot cars, Bella right here fucking right up. And before them Rolex diamonds, I was make my glizzy light up. Every mission Chucky got off, he got hit up, got sent right up. Police think this shit again, they let bro out and snatched him right up. I go in a mile and cash out everything I want, I get it. I heard you be petty spending, my advice bro say them pennies. Get to the room, drop a penny, she screaming go Chucky get it. Won't go for that, I ain't thirsty, end of the night I still hit her. After the show back we bip through, we on a hunt for them niggas. First of them I know I ran through, that's why she hit in my system. I got codeine in my system, yo bitch I sippin' on liquor. I don't throw cash in the strip club, young nigga getting more richer. Mexican hoe getting thicker, NYC finna go hit her. If I get hit on the dice game, lil' bro come through, it's a stick up. On the drill, he caught the.
Ooh, hey, them dice games be some serious shit to play. Hey, them niggas be going down with them dice games, nigga. Hey, yeah, hey, what?
Hiccups, what that mean? That boy a bitch boy. I got a switch on my rocket. That bitch come quick like a blitz boy. Or come quick like a Hellcat. We still post up in them trenches. Toy hit the block, we in CP, throw the blicks over the fences. Do donuts in a scan pack. That's when I first had my dilly. Gave my OG 30K and did it again. I'm super richy. I found out to come outside. I got like 15 lows on Sibley. See a strike, fuck up the ride. I gotta get back home, you silly. Switch around every time. I got like 4 spots in a bitty. I got rich, I rap not crack, but I do 1 million a minute. Free Smirky going up, they got that bro out any minute. Free Shana and free Millie, bro, my twin and that's my killer. We got 4 dogs in a sprinter, it's just me and lil' bro winning. Beat the road for 13 hours, it's a must, I count the chicken.
Ooh, count that chicken, nigga. That nigga is running that bitch. Hey, yeah, that nigga ran that motherfucker. I'm keeping the band with you. Just that simple. Get in with me, nigga. Hey, that's gonna do it for today's video, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all boys turn on post notification. But I can only if you ain't already, so already, man. Make sure y'all boys send me some people who to react to too, man. Don't.